What's happening? This Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're gonna take this Beretta M9A4, put it up against my Tangfolio Defiant Stock Master, the Italian beauties. Both of these are from Italy, and I love both of these. These are my Italian beauties. First off, let me start talking about this Beretta M9A4. This is an awesome gun. I love this gun due to the open slide design that they have. It keeps it from jamming. This gun shoots beautifully. I haven't had a jam. All the research I've seen, I haven't seen anybody talk about this gun jamming. And this is a very awesome gun. It's lightweight. I love the rail on the front. This one right here is the Centurion G model, and it has the cuts for the RDO. What I've done is I've gone and put a competition trigger in it. This is of course a hammer fired weapon. Most of the guns I get are steel frame and hammer fired. The ones that aren't are my Glocks and mechanics. That's just my personal preference. This gun right here has the grooves in the front, has the grooves in the back as well. These grips right here are, I don't know what they did, but these are great grips. They're very, very, very grippy. These have the Vertex style grip in the back, where it is more of a 1911 style, and it fits my hand. This holds 18 rounds, and this is a decocker. This is not a safety, it is a decocker. All right, as you see, when you push it down, it decocks it. Very good gun. I love it. It's fun to shoot, and like I said, the lightweight is good. I like that, and haven't decided what RDO I'm gonna put on it, but it's coming. I actually have a lot of things I plan on doing to this gun, so it's coming. All right. So this is the Beretta M9A4. The Beretta M9A4, fantastic gun. The Tangfolio Defiant Stock Master. This is also a 9mm hammer fired steel frame beast of a gun. This gun is absolutely awesome, and it's a lot heavier than the Beretta, but in turn it is so smooth. It is awesome to shoot. The weight stabilizes the gun. If you're a weak dude, can't hold a heavy gun, this is not the gun for you, but the weight steadies it. This is a great shooter. Great shooter. I actually really like the way it looks. The slide cuts, I guess they're lightning cuts, and the rail, and this is fashioned after a CZ. And this is just a beautiful gun to me. It has a bull barrel on it, adjustable sights. I put a magwell on it. Originally was 17 rounds. Now I put a +3 on it. No, this was a +2. So it's 19 +1, so 20 rounds, 19 +1. This is a great shooter. This is a great shooter. And this is actually one of my favorite guns. If I had to choose between my two Italian ladies, I would say it depends on the circumstance. If I was in a shooting competition, Tangfolio would definitely be the gun for the shooting competition. If I'm walking around trying to keep my gun concealed, I would choose this one. This is easily concealed, and I have no problem concealing it. I have been carrying since I got it. It has been my EDC, and I have not had a problem concealing this. This, on the other hand, sometimes is an issue. Generally, I carry this in my shoulder holster. It's wintertime, so it's gonna get carried a little bit. So wintertime, yeah, I carry this one, just because I like it. As far as any time of the year, carry this any time of the year. Any time of the year. I got a lot that I'm actually about to do this. I actually went and got a muzzle brake that I'm putting on it. I have the flared magwell, the extended, I think it's only +2, so it's nothing ridiculous, and a couple of other things that I plan on doing to this. So definitely stay tuned to see how this turns out, because I have a lot more things that are going to happen to this, and I'm going to see if there's any real big difference in the shooting once the muzzle brake gets put on here, and once I do some of the other things that I plan on doing it. So hit that like and subscribe, notifications, like this video. Johnny Snow about it.